In this video, you will learn 30 commonly mispronounced English words and their corrections. If you're new to this channel, make sure to follow and like for more. So with that being said, let's get to it. The first word is divorce. Most people pronounce this word as divorce. Take note of the letter I in the word. The letter I sounds A. Can you see the vowel symbol on top? A. The A sound is written as my slash first, capital letter I, and I close my slash. The sound is A, and that is what you have in the word divorce. Do not say divorce. Next, I have favorite. Again, the letter I in favorite sounds A. Favorite. Make sure you're not saying favorite. Pivotal. 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 Not pivotal. Diffuse. Diffuse. Do not say diffuse. Granite. I hope you do not say granite. No, the letter I in granite also sounds A. Granite. Enough. It's enough. Don't say enough. Say enough. Example. Example. Do not say example. The letter E in this word, the first letter E in this word sounds A. Example. Except. The first letter E in except also sounds A. Except. Do not say except. Harvest. Harvest. In the word harvest, the letter E also sounds A. Harvest. Take note that the A and the R in that word make a long sound. Harvest. Harvest. Not harvest. And I have wicked. In the word wicked, there are two A's in that word. First, the letter I sounds A. Also, the letter E sounds A. So together you say wicked. Wicked. So you realize that in all of these set of words, enough, example, except, harvest, and wicked, letter E makes the A sound in those words. Now let's go to words with letter U sounding A. I have the word busy. Busy. I had a busy day. Also, I have business. Business. Do not say business. No, say business. Women. Women. The plural of woman is rightly pronounced women. The letter O sounds A. The letter E also sounds A. Women. Image. Image. The letter I in the word image sounds A. Image. And then I have magician. I hope you don't say magician. Say magician. Magician. So I have the A sound in magician. Remember, the sound is A. A. Spread out your lips and let your tongue be in a relaxed position with your jaw falling. A. 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 Very well. Now let's take a few reading practice. In the village, women adore the rich. In the village, women adore the rich. Let's consider the words with A in that first sentence. I have in, village, women, rich. In the village, women adore the rich. The next sentence. Do you have the courage to stay a minute in the forest? Do you have the courage to stay a minute in the forest? Let's consider the words with a in that sentence. I have courage. The letter A in that word sounds a. Courage. Minute. In and forest. Do you have the courage to stay a minute in the forest? Don't say forest. He cleans the images and carpets on Sundays. He cleans the images and carpets on Sundays. I have images. I also have carpets. How many of these words were you able to find out? Good job. Okay, let's go to the next sound. A. Vowel A. The A sound is written as my slash first, small letter E, capital letter I, and I close my slash. This is a diphthong sound. If you look at the symbol, it has two symbols. So when you're pronouncing that sound, you want to go slowly from the first symbol to the second symbol. A. It's different from A. So you can have words like okay. It's okay. Don't say okay, say okay. Say. Say. Don't say say. 8. Number 8. I love number 8. Plate. Plate. Please get the plate. Today. Today. Do not say today. Awake. Are you awake? Awake. The letter A, the first letter A in the word awake, make sure that you're articulating it as a weak sound. Awake. Sachet, not sachet. The letter T is silent and the letter E makes the A sound. Sachet. Create. 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 Now let's consider minimal pairs. Let's compare the A sound and the A sound. Look at the symbols again. A. It's written as my slash first, capital letter I, and then I close my slash. A. A monophthong. A short monophthong. A. Now the other sound is A. It has two symbols. It's written as my slash first, small letter E, capital letter I, and then I close my slash. A. That is a diphthong. You need to go slowly from the first sound to the second sound. A. Can you hear the difference? Again, A. A. Very well. Let's consider word examples. Pin. Pain. Fit. Fate. Red. Raid. Ship. Shape. Bake. Bake. Again, pin. Pain. Let's make a sentence with these two words. The pen caused the pain. Fit. Fate. Again, fit. Fate. Red. Raid, red, raid. Ship, shape, ship, shape. The ship has a rectangle shape. Big, bake, bake, bake. I hope you can hear the difference. When you hear the difference, you can speak the difference. Remember to like, follow, and share for more. See you in our next video.